Hey everybody, I thought it would be fun to learn how to make a color palette of some swatches that are based off of a photograph. Like maybe you have a picture, you want to be like the hero image or something for an advertisement or a layout design, and you want the rest of the design to incorporate those colors. Here's how we can do it. I have this picture here, just autumn design, front step with some pumpkins on here. And if I wanted to turn this into a color palette, it's actually pretty simple. I'll just go up to the top up here and go to image and mode. The first thing you want to check is that you are RGB color. So if you're in CMYK, just use RGB color. And then I want to go here to indexed color. And it asks if you want to flatten the layers, and that's fine. And up here, the first option for the palette, you want it to be local perceptual. Have that selected. The second thing you want to do is you want to choose how many colors are available. Sometimes by default this will say like 256, which is probably more colors than what you want to select. So if you try 10, and you can see it adjusts the image behind it for the colors. You know, sometimes I might go like 6 or between, I don't know, 5 and 8 somewhere. I kind of like 6 in this option. I think that gives me some good options to try. Underneath that, where it says forced, I will select none, and will have dither also set to none. Okay, once that's done, we click OK. Then go back up to image and go back to mode, and there is this color table. And when I open this up, you'll see it gives these colors, these 6 colors that are now found in this image here. So what I can do from this menu is click save, and you can put this kind of wherever you want. In this case, do make sure it says color table.act file, and I'll call this autumn colors, or autumn palette, or whatever you want to call it. Autumn swatches. Click save, and then OK. And then, like, let's say you get to your image, and you have a new image and you want to address those colors. Then all you have to do is go up to window and go down to swatches, and it'll open it up here in your little panes on the right hand side, and the little hamburger menu here, you select that and go down to import swatches. So we'll click on that, and it's not going to show up here because it's looking for a .aco file. So instead, click on this, go down to color table, and then there is that autumn colors. I'll double click on that, and then if we scroll down here to the bottom of our swatches library, there's autumn colors. You click on it, and there's those colors we have for our custom made autumn color palette. Hopefully this is something useful that you can apply to some of your projects. Appreciate you watching, and we will catch you on the next video.